डियर स्टूडेंट, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे क्लास 11th लेसन 3 ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन लेक्चर 2। आज का फर्स्ट टॉपिक है रेडियन मेजर। एंगल सबटेंडेंट at the center by an arc of length 1 unit in a unit circle is said to have a measure of 1 radian angle. One angle, 1 radian angle is written as 1 to power c. So, in radian measure, is notation is 1 to power c angle to power c. Second important result, if suppose the arc length subtracted an angle theta and arc length is L and radius is R, then theta equal to L by R or L equal to theta R. Question number 1, find angle in radian. First is arc length equal to 10 centimeter and radius equal to 75. Second is arc length is equal to 15 centimeter and radius is equal to 60 centimeter. Solution: since relation between arc length, radius and theta is theta equal to L by R. In this case, we find theta in radian. First is theta equal to L by R. L is given as 10 centimeter and radius R is given as 75 centimeter. So after simplify we have theta is 2 by 15. So angle is equal to 2 by 15 radian. Theta, second question, theta equal to L by R, given L equal to 15 and R equal to 60. So after simplify we have 1 by 4. Therefore angle is equal to 1 by 4 radian. Next, relation between degree and radian. We have 2 pi radian equal to 360 and important result is pi radian equal to 180 degree. So relation between degree and radian is pi radian equal to 180 degree. इसी तरह से 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radian. If theta equal to 300, if theta equal to 30 degree, then theta equal to 30 into pi 180 radian. Cancel pi by 6 radian. So if theta equal to 30 and then in radian form it is written as pi by 6. अगर थीटा का वैल्यू 30 हो तो हम उसे रेडियन मेजर में कुछ इस तरह से 30 इंटू पाई बाई 180 एंड पाई को हम उसी तरह से छोड़ देंगे और कैंसिल बाकी करेंगे तो पाई बाई 6 रेडियन। उसी तरह से अगर थीटा 90 हो तो रेडियन में थीटा इक्वल टू 90 इंटू पाई बाई 180 रेडियन। After simplify we have pi by 2 radian. If theta equal to 45, then theta equal to 45 into pi by 180 radian. After simplify we have pi by 4 radian. So अगर थीटा 45 हो तो रेडियन में उसे pi by 4 लिखते हैं। If theta equal to 60 degree, then radian form 60 into pi by 180. After simplify theta equal to pi by 3 radian. Question number 2. Find the radian measure of the following degree measure. First question is 120 degree, 135 degree, 240 degree, 150 degree, 270 degree. Question number 1. Theta is 120 degree. In radian measure, theta equal to 120 into pi by 180 radian. After simplify, we have 2 by 3 pi radian. Question 2. Theta is equal to 135 degree. In radian, 135 into pi by 180 radian. After simplify, we have 3 by 4 pi radian. Theta is equal to 240 degree. In radian, theta is equal to 240 into pi by 180 radian. After solve, we have 4 by 3 pi radian. Next, theta is equal to 150 degree. Then radian, theta is equal to 150 into pi 180 radian. After solve, we have 5 by 6 pi. Last one is theta is equal to 270. In radian, theta is equal to 270 into pi by 180 radian. After solve, we have theta is equal to 3 by 2 pi radian. So, degree measure to radian measure, we have 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radian. So, जब भी हमें डिग्री टू रेडियन मेजर में जाना हो हम पाई बाय 180 रेडियन यूज करेंगे और देन सिंप्लीफाई और पाई को पाई के फॉर्म पे ही रहने दिया जाएगा रेडियन फॉर्म में।